This is the OLFA heavy duty utility knife. I'm an electrician. I've been a Sparky for 6 years. I've been in the trades for 10, and everybody loves OLFA. They're the ones to go with. It's simple, but they work. The construction, it's like a hard plastic. You know, you can throw it, you get paint on it, you can chuck it, you can, throw it at your apprentice. Just kidding. And these things hold up. You have these replaceable blades, which is easy enough to replace. You just pull it, you loosen it up, and you pull it backwards, just like that. And you'll be able to replace these blades, and you go like that, simple, and then you push it into the back of the knife. Like so, it has a bit of a guard, like that. Tightens, you can tighten it up like that. It cuts well. I should probably be wearing gloves, but it does a good job, right? It cuts through just about anything, and all you gotta do is click it, break it off, and then you got a nice new sharp blade. Throw it in your pocket, your tool belt. These will never leave you hanging, and if you wanna tie a little rope or a little, hanger or something of some sort, you can do it. But these OLFA knives, they're great if you're a homeowner, I don't know, cutting stuff up, or you're in the trades or whatever. If you're looking for a solid utility knife, these guys are number one. Made in Japan. I love them. I'm not going to ever buy a different brand. These are the ones to go with. Highly recommend.